Hello friends, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I am Quintana here with another recipe to share with you. And yes, it is a first time recipe that I'm trying. But before we get to that, I just want to acknowledge that yes, the videos look the same as they have the past couple ones because I decided I don't care how they look. The food still tastes amazing. I'm still getting the information across. I'm sticking with the devil that I know. So moving forward, this recipe I found in a very kind of intelligent scholarly magazine. I'm not sure if you've heard of it. It's called People. And it is by a chef called Michael Silverstein. And it is rosemary Dijon chicken with Haircots, which are just fancy French green beans, which is what I used. Okay, because they're the same thing. But anyway, I'm very excited to try it. So let's get started.
Okay, first things first, preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and then we are going to pat our chicken dry before we salt and pepper it on each side. Next, it's time to heat our skillet over medium-high heat. Add our oil and wait until it gets hot. It'll start to shimmer, and then we're going to place the chicken skin side down in the hot oil. You want to make sure it's hot so the chicken skin gets nice and crispy. And then let it alone. Leave it alone. Let it cook undisturbed for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we're going to flip it and cook it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. And now we're going to transfer the chicken to a plate while we move on to the next step. And that next step is to add the butter to the still hot pan, still on the flame, and scrape up any of those delicious brown bits as it melts. Now it's time to add the rosemary and the garlic. And remember, we're only going to cook garlic 30 seconds to 1 minute at the longest because we don't want burnt garlic. So we'll do that for about 30 seconds. And next we're going to add the cream and the Dijon and a little bit more salt and pepper, followed by the green beans. And now it's time to bring the chicken back to the party. We're going to set it on top of the green beans and bake it in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes.
Look how beautiful this looks already. Oh my goodness. Now it's just time to plate it up and taste it. There it is, y'all. Our chicken thighs with a delicious Dijon cream sauce and they were supposed to be Haircots, but you know, green beans work just fine. Ready for the taste test by our favorite taste tester, Dan.
All right. Got some delicious chicken and sauce, and a little bean action. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I wish I could shrink down and jump off my own shoulder into this sauce. It is so yummy.
Great. All right, so maybe you can't go swimming in it, but it is very delicious and really fun and easy to make. So I hope you make it. If you do, please let me know. Also, if you have a recipe that you'd like me to try, please let me know. I'm still waiting for that first one. Until next week, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and spread the word. You can shed it if you want. I don't care. Anyway, until next week, I'll see ya.